Hey my loves, welcome back. If you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys my powder and concealer routine. First thing that I do is I do my eyebrows. The pencil I'm using is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. For the top part of my brows, like I said, I like to go in with a foundation shade because I want that part to blend. Like, I don't care about this part being a different color, but on top of my brows, I want that to be my skin complexion, because once again, we're only using powder today. So for me, I feel like just keeping it simple with the eyes is the best thing to do. Just for me, you know, you can do eyeshadow, but I feel like if I'm just throwing something on my face like powder and concealer, I just kind of want to focus on the products that is in front of me, especially if I'm in a rush or something, or if that's all I'm going to be doing for today. Why not just use what you're going to be using on your face as an eyeshadow? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to take my bronzer, and this is going to serve as my crease color, my transition color, whatever the case may be. Just take a sponge or a powder puff, and I just take that, and this is serving as my nude or my matte eyeshadow. And I'm going to take my setting powder, and I'm just going to take that and I'm going to pat that all over my eye. I'm going to go in with my bronzer, whatever bronzer you decide to use. I'm using the Hard Candy bronzer. Now I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. I'm also using this smoothing primer from LA Girl. You could get that from any drugstore or the beauty supply store. So now I'm going to go in with concealers. Of course, LA Colors is the go-to concealer to use when you're doing this kind of look. I think I want to try Beautiful Bronze. I'm just going to go where I feel like I have some discoloration, like typically right here. And then on my forehead, just a tad bit. Let's get our little friend up there. And then I always try to get right here. And then definitely the chin. I'm just going to take some MAC Fix Plus. I don't really go and damp it. Just spraying it is just good enough for me. And you could use a brush with this part right here. Okay, I like this color. Like I said, I always use like chestnut or toast or whatever when I started using the LA Girl concealers. And yeah, so that's what I do. I will prime first, and I will go in and conceal, and then I will start my powder. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. hydrating concealer in the color Deep Chestnut, and I'm going to use that underneath my eyes. Don't forget to blend out around your concealer. So go back in with your sponge and blend around your concealer as if you were doing your regular foundation routine. You want to go back and blend around your concealer with whatever's left on the back of your sponge. I feel like when you're doing a powder and concealer routine, it's the best to use a flat top brush because I feel like you get more coverage versus if you use a fluffy brush. If I use this, it'll give me a light coverage. I want that for coverage, so I'm going to use like a flat top foundation brush. And the reason why you want to use a flat top foundation brush is because it's flat. You get that product on there and you can push that product in. You can push it in like this, and you're basically stamping that powder on to get more coverage. You know what I mean? I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty soft matte powder foundation in 410. I gave 420 to my mom. I've never tried that shade on me, and I wear 420 in the Fenty foundation. Kind of want to see if that color also works for me, but we're gonna go in with this. Y'all see me use this powder all the time. I do have other powders, trust me, but this is just my go-to and it just works. I'll try to make sure I get my ear, the side of the nose. Yep. And then we're gonna go in with bronzer. Get underneath, and then I'm gonna go in with some blush. I've been loving this blush that I found at DD's Discount. This is the brand, and I've been mixing these two at the bottom. Yeah, just those two I've been mixing. Go ahead and spray my face. I'm going to use the Revolution Super Fix Super Hold setting spray. And now I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. I'm using Juvias Place lip liner in Cocoa Latte. And with the Makeup by Mario lip gloss in the color Soft and Nude. So just a recap of what I did. I do my brows first. I do a little bit on my eyes, and then I go in and I spot conceal. I blend that out, and then I do my concealer under my eyes. I set it, and then I will put on my powder, and then I would do, you know, everything else like I do normal, my bronzer and blush. Then I spray my face. So that is my routine. Comment down below and let me know if you do something similar. Let me know if you do something different, whatever the case may be. Let me know what products you use. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys comment down below, thumbs up this video, and I will talk to you guys in another video. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave, okay? Don't forget to do that, and I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, bye.